This one thing can be a game changer in your manifestation journey. Yes, if you follow it for 24 hours, you can see a significant shift happening in your manifestation power. Are you ready for it? I'm sure you are. While manifesting our goals, desires, and dreams, all of us knew the law of attraction is always working. The law of attraction is working on the principle of whatever we focus on, it expands. Like attracts like. So, when I have been mentoring so many people for years and years, I have found one thing, that there are so many people who believe in the law of attraction, trust the universe, and who are doing all the good things, and who are like kind, nice, spiritual people, religious people, believing in God, praying to God every single day. And they are honest in their work, they are hardworking. But many of them are not manifesting. Why? Because somehow subconsciously or even consciously deep inside, their focus is on the negative things. And what is that number one negative things they are focusing? It's the complaining. Yes, they may be the person who is not complaining outside, they may be the person who is always supporting, helping other people, but deep in their head, they are most of the time they are complaining. If something wrong at home, complaining. If something wrong at work, complaining. Though they are helping other people, doing the hard work, doing the prayers, praying to God, but even many of these spiritual people, they complain to God. So what happened when we focus on complaint? Whether we are complaining outside, we have seen some people who are always complaining outside, complaining to their parents, complaining to their bosses, complaining to their friends. So these are the people whom we know as the kind of the complainers or the pessimistic kind of people. And we know that those people don't usually have anything positive in their life, or they don't really manifest things or good things in their life. But then we know there are so many people who are good and who are really good people, but unconsciously or subconsciously they have developed a habit of complaining. And most of the time they keep complaining inside their head, they keep complaining about everything that is going wrong. And by doing that, what mistake they are doing is they tend to attract more and more of negativity, they tend to attract more and more negativity. You may be one of that person whom everyone else sees at a very positive person, whom everyone else sees at a person with so much of optimism, but deep down you don't feel that optimistic, or your life is not going in the right direction. So even if you are not complaining outside but complaining inside, or if you seems to be a very positive person but nothing positive going in your life regarding you or your job or your career or your relationship or your manifestation, then whether you are aware about it or not, somewhere you are complaining a lot in your head. So now why complaining is a problem? Like attracts like, if you focus on complaint, what will happen? You will attract more negative things, more situations to complain. If you complain, deep down you see more of the negative things, and you find more things to complain. The more things you complain, the more complaint you will attract, or more things to complain about. So most of the time, your inner vibration will stay in a negative state. When your inner vibration will stay in a negative state, you will struggle to manifest your goals, desires, and dreams. So, what is that one thing I want all of you to do it? And take it as a challenge. I want to give you a challenge that I want you to go for no complaint mode. Yes, no complaint mode for next 24 hours. I want you to go for no complaint mode for next 24 hours. Yes, no matter what is happening in your life, personally, professionally, socially, in any sphere, whether good, bad, ugly, whatever is going to happen, you are not going to complain. Neither you are going to complain to anyone else, or nor you are going to complain inside your head. And if something really, really bad is happening or going to happen, then remind yourself that I am on a no complaint mode, and I am just letting the universe handle it for me. I am letting the universe change the situation, do whatever possible, because I am only focusing on things I can be grateful for. I'm only focusing on whatever positive is there in my life, and I'm only focusing on my blessings. If you do it for 24 hours, there will be a shift happening inside your head. There will be a shift, bigger shift happening, and you will see a change of aura in you. You will see a shift in your vibration. You will see a shift in your strength of manifestation. Even if there are two, three, four things, good things are about to happen in your next 24 hours, be grateful for them. Say yes to them. Say thank you for them. And whatever, whenever there is an urge to complain, hold yourself back, inhale deeply, and let go. And this is one technique I teach in my 22 days manifestation formula, Make Your Life Awesome. And so far, thousands and thousands of people have done that program. Especially this one technique is always come out to be a game changer for people who are not yet aware, like why in spite of being a positive person nothing positive is happening in their life, or why in spite of being a good person nothing good is happening in their life. And this is like an eye opener for so many people, and it helps them change their life. So I want you to take this challenge, and if you are ready to take this challenge, let me know in the comment that AJ, challenge accepted. 24 hours, no complaint mode on. This is what you have to write in the comment. 24 hours, no complaint mode on or switch on. You write it, take your phone, set a reminder, look at the time right now, 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 6 a.m., whatever time it is right now. Set an alarm for next 24 hours so that it will go on at 24 hours just after this moment, and make yourself a resolution that for next 24 hours I'm not going to complain. And after 24 hours, when this alarm will ring, come back to this video, let me know in the comment how much you could succeed, whether the focus is to be 100% complaint free. But if you are complaining in the complaining mode for a long time, it may be a little difficult, but still see that if you can able to do it 50% time, 90% time, 80% time. And what is the shift, how you feel in your aura, how you feel in your vibration, how you feel in terms of strengthening. And if you can able to do it for 24 hours with more than 95% accuracy without complaining about anything, then I want to continue the process for 3 days, and you will see 10x increase in your manifestation power. Your manifestation power will go suddenly up, and you loved it. You loved it. So the challenge is 24 hours, no complaint mode. Are you ready to take this challenge? Are you ready to try for it and see how powerfully everything will change? You may have tried many techniques with me, 555 technique, 369 technique, water technique, but this is at the fundamental of law of attraction. Because why? Like attracts like. Wherever you focus, it expands. Wherever your attention goes, that's where the energy flows, and that's what you manifest. So if your attention is going to complain, your energy is flowing to complain, and what is getting manifested, more opportunity to complain. If your focus is not going on complain, means naturally you tend to either let go of negative situation. And how can you let go? Inhale deeply and exhale and let go. Or you tend to focus more on the positivity, more on the good things, more on the blessings, more on the things to be grateful for, and say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and see the magic. So I want you to give it a try for next 24 hours, and let me know in the comment if you are off for the 24 hours no complaint challenge. And if you want more videos like this, and if you want me to more tools, techniques, and processes for you, do let me know in the comment. I know that all of you have missed my video for a long, long, long time, and I'm back here with all of you. This year we are going to create massive transformation. And if you want to learn more tools, techniques, and processes, you can check our website, Big Manifestation, and join our manifestation program. And most importantly, those of you who are new here in our tribe or in our channel, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and if you find this video useful, share it with someone you care. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Stay motivated, stay awesome. See you soon.